Have you ever wondered how the golden liquid we call olive oil is actually made? From the tree to your table, the journey is full of tradition, science, and a lot of patience. Let's explore how olives transform into this cherished culinary staple. It all begins in the olive groves, often in late autumn or early winter. Farmers carefully monitor the olives, waiting for them to reach optimal ripeness, typically when they turn from green to a deep purple or black. This precise timing is crucial for developing the oil's flavor profile and quality. The harvesting methods vary, ranging from traditional handpicking to more modern mechanical shakers. Handpicking ensures the gentlest treatment of the fruit, minimizing bruising. Mechanical shakers efficiently dislodge olives onto nets, speeding up the process. Regardless of the method, speed is paramount once the olives are picked. Olives are highly perishable, and any delay in processing can lead to oxidation and a decline in the oil's quality. They must be transported to the mill as quickly as possible, ideally within hours of harvesting. Upon arrival at the mill, the olives undergo a thorough cleaning process. They are washed to remove any leaves, twigs, dirt, or other debris collected during harvesting. This step is essential to prevent impurities from affecting the oil's taste and purity. Next comes the transformative stage, crushing. The entire olive, including the pit, is ground into a thick, uniform paste. Historically, this was done using massive stone wheels, a method still employed by some traditional producers. Today, modern mills often use stainless steel hammer mills or disc crushers. These machines efficiently break down the olive cells, releasing the oil within. The goal is to create a fine paste that maximizes oil extraction while minimizing heat generation. After crushing, the olive paste is slowly and gently stirred in large, temperature-controlled vats. This process is known as malaxing. Malaxing helps the tiny oil droplets, which are dispersed throughout the paste, to coalesce and form larger droplets. This gentle agitation also allows the enzymes within the olive paste to work, enhancing the oil's aromatic compounds. The temperature during malaxing is carefully controlled to preserve the delicate flavors and beneficial nutrients. Following malaxing, the paste moves to the extraction phase, typically using a centrifuge. This machine spins the paste at high speeds, separating the oil from the water and solid olive pulp through centrifugal force. What emerges is pure, unrefined olive oil, ready for the next step. The extracted olive oil is then often filtered to remove any remaining sediment, though some producers prefer to leave it unfiltered for a richer texture. Finally, the oil is carefully bottled, often in dark glass to protect it from light and preserve its freshness. The highest quality oil is known as extra virgin olive oil. This designation means it is produced solely by mechanical means, without the use of chemicals or excessive heat. It must also meet strict chemical and sensory standards, possessing a superior flavor and aroma. Extra virgin olive oil is celebrated for its fruity, sometimes peppery taste, and its numerous health benefits, including being rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Its production is a testament to careful cultivation and meticulous processing. So, the next time you drizzle olive oil on a fresh salad, dip crusty bread into its golden richness, or use it to sauté your favorite vegetables, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey. From an olive on a tree to the liquid gold in your kitchen, it's a product of nature, tradition, and dedicated craftsmanship.